up, Smajista? Today, I'm switching things up. I've decided I'm gonna be showing you Bueno first.
कुछ चाहिए Bueno को?
Bueno को कुछ चाहिए? Bueno नहीं. बहुत अच्छा. What the hell? What the hell? Oh shit! Oh! Bueno shit! Bueno hello! His presence is so damn fantastic. Swiftly moving on, that afternoon I went to a classic Indian market. So without further ado, let's jump on a taxi and enjoy the ride to the market. Beautiful ride. But now, listen up. What I'm about to show you will be even more beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you one of the most clean, if not the most clean market in India. It's disgusting. Oh, brilliant stuff. Here because you were looking for a nice place to eat and we ended up over here. Now that is what you call stunning. Yeah, I know, it's awful, but don't let that distract you from the main reason you clicked on this video. It's time. Let's talk about your favorite, my favorite, everybody's favorite, naan. A classic Indian dish, a type of flat bread and traditionally baked inside a very, very, very hot oven, usually with wood fire. Actually, why am I even telling you all this when I can show you exactly how naan is made? Yes, you heard that absolutely right. You probably don't know, so let me tell you that I was so damn lucky to interview the manager of a 25-year and still running Indian restaurant that has been making naan ever since the restaurant started. So, for 25 years. And plus, the more majestic part, he made us, yeah, you and me, a special naan. So, let me introduce you to the restaurant Bunty Dhaba and their scrumptious naan. So this is Bunty Dhaba. It's a vegetarian restaurant and it's been there for 25 years. It's been exactly here for 25 years. That is mad. And now we'll be talking to some of the employees over here and let's see if we can try and get an insight into this restaurant. Let's go. Hello. ये अपना YouTube के लिए. So yeah, this place is damn nice. 25 years. Amazing place to visit, Bunty Dhaba. I mean, you can see how they're making naan over here. They can make 10 to 15 really quickly, so that's quite fascinating.
So Grace making one, you'll be making one, as you can see. कितना टाइम लगेगा? अब बस हो गया? That's one naan for you. That is amazing. Wow, that was very quick. Dhanyavad. Nice. Bunty Dhaba. Come to Bunty Dhaba. I'll see you there.
My god, aren't you hungry by just seeing that? Clearly that made me quite hungry. Holy. As I mentioned, this restaurant is called Bunty Dhaba. This is just an interesting fact. Dhaba basically refers to a roadside restaurant in India. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed seeing how naan is made, and I hope you also like this video because, unfortunately, and as sad as this may seem, the next episode will be the final episode of this series. So I really hope you enjoyed the second last episode of this series, and if you did, obviously you know that you've got to smash that like button, as well as to share this video with your majestic friends. Until my next video, stay tuned and stay majestic. I have a surprise for you next week. I know, 10,000 rupees. I am not exaggerating, this is serious. On my second last day, my family and I, along with a few of our relatives, went to have lunch at a fine dining restaurant inside Delhi's iconic hotel, the Taj Mahal Hotel. But before I jump ahead, let me give you a tour of the Taj Mahal Hotel. Unbelievable, grand, massive, just like the bill of 10,000 rupees I'm about to show you. So I'm now going to be taking you to visit an only recently opened shopping mall called the Chanakya. This mall is very different. Prepare yourself to see a very unique mall. Now comes the worst part of the trip, saying goodbye to my boss, your boss, everyone's boss, Bueno. All the fun and majestic memories now come to an end. Wait a minute.